become a better dancer without actually even dancing. How is that possible? I had to take a break from dancing for a couple months. And when I finally got back to dancing, I was kind of nervous because not practicing for a couple months, oh my God, I felt like my dancing has probably deteriorated. So nervously, I put on my dance shoes and I got onto the floor, and lo and behold, my balance actually felt better. What? How is that possible? So I realized that in the 3 to 4 months that I took a hiatus, I was actually doing a lot of yoga and a lot of core conditioning. So doing all of that had trained my body to have better control, to have the strength and the power to hold my spine and become a better dancer without actually even dancing. And so that's why I've chosen a 28-day core training to start off this new year. You know, the truth is most people don't even do 1 or 2 minutes of core in their entire lives. But you, being a dancer, doing 5 minutes of core every single day is going to make a huge difference for your dancing in terms of your spins, your body control, and just the ability to move better when you're dancing in your high heels. Now, you have probably heard me say that variety is the killer of skill. And so for the first week, we're going to be doing a set of similar exercises every day, sometimes in a slightly different order, but that is to help you be able to familiarize with those exercises and then have a sense of, okay, this is where I started, and at the end of the 7 days, have you actually gotten stronger? Then for the next 7 days, we're going to change it out to a new set of routine. And then the third week, we're going to have a new set of routine. And finally, in the last couple of days, we're going to do a mashup where every day is going to be different. I put this training together by doing a 5-minute workout every single day for 28 days as well. I did not film this all in one shot. That would be quite a lot for the abs because I wanted to do this challenge myself as well. So join me in the next 28 days and just imagine how proud you're gonna be and how much better you're gonna feel about your body by the end. I will see you tomorrow.